Hello students, today we are going to show you how to prepare a PDF and then to upload it in Microsoft Teams. First of all, you will open a PDF scanner, for example, Adobe Scanner. Click on it and now you can click the pics of your answer sheet, pages of your answer sheet. Click on the pages one by one. You can resize this page. If it is blur, you can retake, otherwise continue. Then take pictures of all the pages one by one. Then continue. When you completed all the pics, then go to Home on the top left corner. Click on it. You will see a Review and Save Scans. Click on it. Now you have PDF, but you have to rename it. For this, you will click on the previous name and this screen will appear. Click on cross and then rename it. For this, you will write class, section and then your name, for example, Gursanj. Then your admission number. Here I am writing 123. And then you will mention your subject and then click on OK. When you rename it, after that, here you can see Save PDF on the top right corner. Click on it. Now your PDF is saved. Now go to back button, click on it and then go to Microsoft Teams. Here Microsoft Teams. Go to your class and in this go to General. In General you can see the paper uploaded and under this you can see View Assignment. Click on it. Now you can see My Work. In this you can add your work, means you can add your answer sheet. Click on it to attach your PDF. Now upload this from your device. Click on Upload from this device. Now you will choose the answer sheet in the form of PDF. After that, you will hand in. For this, you will see hand in the top right corner. Click on it. And your answer sheet is submitted. In this way, you can submit your answer sheet in the form of PDF. Thank you.